Hi there, it's your boy Emmanuel, aka LJ. Okay, so for this week, African Legend, Send Down the Rain by Majek for Shek. Aside me doing the whole slow, lovey-dovey kind of song, I wanted to do something vibe. It's another way for me to express, show you guys another form of poetry.
So send down the rain. Send down the rain. Now listen. Every time in life has got its time and season. So don't you go asking me why. You don't expect to sow cassava and you reap and you reap cassava. See, whatsoever I am so wet in this world, oh surely it shall be. I'm a baby, gotta learn what to do. Send down the rain. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Ba 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 yo! Yeah! Ba 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 yo! Send down the rain.
Please,
I now know why we picked this 11 because honestly, I have not seen anything. I haven't seen anything better. I'm really impressed. Your stage presence is energetic. It's magnetic, and I'm very because you performed that song in your own way also, and it worked. It really did work. Well done.
Thank you so much.
I loved it. I stood up. I'm happy. Yeah, very contagious. I love it.
Thank you.
Man, Emmanuel, that was original. You know, I mean, first of all, respect to the legend, the late Majek for Shek, because that song is I mean, for Nigerians, that's a hell of a song, and you just brought a whole different energy to it. I mean, I don't know what you were doing, but that whole Michael Jackson thing, that thing was working, man. So keep going, keep singing, keep pushing.
Thanks so much.
Loved it.
Thank you, judges. Nice work, Emmanuel. I loved it. I don't think there was any risk there at all. You delivered that song. Guys at home, we can think what we want, we can say what we want, but it comes down to your vote. If you would like to see Emmanuel sing again here on our stage and be part of our top 9 next week, then you've got to vote. His number is 7. To vote for him, text the word vote and the number 7 to 3.